Oppo Reno 3 Pro to launch in India soon. Last year, Oppo launched Reno lineup of 5G smartphones in China, Oppo Reno 3 and Reno 3 Pro. Now the company is planning to launch the Oppo Reno 3 Pro in the Indian market soon. Tipster Ishan Agarwal on his Twitter handle has revealed that the India will be the first country to receive the Reno 3 Pro's global version. He has also shared the live image of the smartphone revealing the unique gradient finish and curved edges on the upcoming smartphone. A previously leaked image of the global version of the Reno 3 Pro had revealed that it will be equipped with a dual punch-hole screen. Oppo Reno 3 Pro will sport 44MP punch-hole front camera. With this, it will be the world's first smartphone to sport the same, and the secondary camera is said to be 2MP depth sensor. To recall, the Reno 3 Pro 5G launched in China sports a single selfie camera to the left. The specifications of this new Oppo Reno 3 Pro are not known yet, but it is expected to be similar to the Reno 3 Pro 5G. Oppo Reno 3 Pro 5G in China features a 6.5-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display with 2400 x 1080 pixels resolution. There is a punch-hole design, which is located at the top left corner. The phone is powered by 2.4 GHz octa-core processor, which is Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset with Adreno 620 GPU. The smartphone runs on ColorOS 7.0, which will be based on Android 10. The smartphone packs 4025 mAh typical battery with 30W VOOC 4.0 fast charging. The phone features an in-display fingerprint sensor. For the camera, the Reno 3 Pro 5G is equipped with a quad camera setup of 48 megapixel with Sony IMX586 sensor, 13 megapixel telephoto lens, an 8 megapixel 116-degree ultra-wide lens and 2 megapixel mono lens. The phone features a selfie camera of 32 megapixel with f2.4 aperture. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.